Hello. So in this video, we're going to build and link an assembly program into an executable and we're going to run it. So this is our assembly file, the hello.asm file. This is the file that contains the assembly program. And we can take a look at the assembly file, the assembly program. So this is a program. It's a simple program. This is the hello world of assembly. And what it basically does is that it makes a system call, basically which is, it's going to load this number to the EX register, and it's going to make a system call asking the OS to allow us to print in standard output. So it's a really simple program. So the first thing we're going to do is to build the program, and I'm going to use the NASM, the network assembler. And what this does is it will assemble the assembly code into an object file. And after we execute that command, so NASM-f elf-g, so -f just specifies the format is an ELF32 format. ELF is the extensible Linux format or file, I'm not sure. But yeah, so we have a hello world.o file here, which is the object file that we're going to use in the next step. So the next step is called linking, and we're going to link the program using LD, which is the GNU linker. It's a tool for linking. So linking is where our object file or the machine code that we want to create is linked together with other relocatable object files and library files. So basically, we want to link our program to other maybe libraries that exist in the computer that are going to be used. And we also want to resolve memory addresses where the code in one file may refer to another location in another file. So yeah, we need to resolve these addresses. So that's the linking process here. So after linking the program, we get this executable file, hello world.out. And now hello world.out is a Linux executable program, and we can actually try and run it and see if it's going to print out our message, our string from the assembly program. And yeah, so it does. So in Linux, we can do this entire process using a makefile. Makefiles are a Linux way of grouping commands, and we can use this to automate the process of building this program and running it, even building and linking the program and running it. So when you look at our makefile here, you can see how the various commands have been grouped together to produce a desired output. And one of the commands we have here is make clean, which will remove hello world.o and hello world.out, which are the object files and the executable. So when we run make clean, it's going to delete them, and we can now try and run the process automated this time using our makefile. We execute the makefile by running make, and it will run the two commands for building and linking the program, and we're going to have a hello world.out executable. So yeah, the makefile basically automates the process of building and linking the program. And so this was an introductory video to building and linking assembly programs. In the next video, we're going to build and link an assembly program and debug it using GDB. So watch out for that. So catch me in the next one.